I need to get my hair done. Don't talk about me. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is a thermometer. I think that everyone should invest into a thermometer because it just makes your life a lot easier. I can't even tell you how many times I went to Thanksgiving dinners. And you know how y'all be poking holes and cutting open the breast of the turkey. That really doesn't tell you anything because the breast is one of the first parts of the turkey that cooks. And so you need to put this into the thigh. The best way for me to put it to people that are not chefs and cooks for y'all to understand, you know, the part by your vajayjay or your pee, like right before you get to it, that's where you're going to put the thermometer into your turkey and get the temp 165. Now for me, I don't go to 165, I go to 160 or even less sometimes because it carryover cooks. But because I know a lot of you are not cooks and chefs, I'm not gonna tell you to do that. We're gonna keep y'all safe. But what I do is I get it to like 160. I completely cover it immediately out the oven, and then I put it to the side, ignore it. 10 minutes later, it's perfect. So yeah, that's the tip on getting a thermometer. They're super cheap and they're very easy to use. All right, let's talk hardware. This is a silk mat, and this is for anything that you don't want to stick. It's non-stick, right? I'm suggesting this because, you know, y'all know I'm always trying to save the turtles. You know, when you're cooking for Thanksgiving, you cook a lot. So you waste a lot of paper towel, a lot of aluminum foil, parchment paper. However, I know everybody don't got it, so don't chew my head off. If you can't afford this, it's on Amazon, by the way. It's also cheap, but again, I understand people can't afford it. You need to have this in your house for Thanksgiving. You need parchment paper and you need aluminum foil. Another thing is, do not put aluminum foil directly on your food, guys. Please, please. What I do is I line it with this first, and then I put the aluminum foil on top. What this is going to do is not take the skin off your turkey. I can't tell you how many times I went to dinners, Thanksgiving dinners, and the skin is gone because they put aluminum foil directly on the turkey. And plus, it's not really safe. So, yeah. All right, so I remember one Thanksgiving I had to cook for like 60 people, and it was hectic. But a few things I did was I prepped like 3 days in advance. 3 days before, I had mad desserts done. 2 days before, the turkey was brining for 48 hours. The macaroni and cheese, the cheese was cut up a day and a half before. The potato salad was done the night before. So when Thanksgiving actually came, all I was doing was popping things in the oven. Popping it in the oven, cooking off the mac and cheese, baking off the cornbread dressing. You know, I wasn't doing too many preps, too many running arounds because it was already done like 2 and 3 days ahead of time. So that helps. That definitely helps a lot. Also, remember, guys, this is your house. So however you want the float to go, that's how you want it to go. Also, what I do to calm guests down is I serve drinks or have drinks set out or appetizers, cute appetizers. I have plenty of those on my YouTube channel. You can check that out. And that'll keep everyone nice and settled. They can talk, chit chat. In my opinion, I don't suggest serving alcohol at the beginning, like when they first get there and you're still trying to put things in and out the oven or da. I just feel like that can cause for a disturbance of some kind. Not negatively, but you know, when you're moving around, you don't want people really in your face or yada, 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 yada. So, yeah, those are my tips for today. I hope they helped.